A lot of people think students come to the classroom to learn knowledge, but real growth doesn't happen inside four walls. It happens the moment they step out and apply what they've learned in front of a real customer. In class, they just know, but it's only when they stand in front of someone, use their hands, speak their words, that they suddenly realize, wow, I can actually do this. They finish a service, say a full sales line. The customer responds, smiles, even buys that excitement. We can't teach that in a classroom. In that moment, they grow a feather, and once they do, they want to fly again, try again, grow again. So don't focus on teaching a whole person. Let them do one real thing well. Feel that they are valuable and watch how their wings grow. Have you experienced this kind of teaching? Let's talk about it below.